In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. If you're writing a report and want your numbers and visuals to stay accurate without constant copy and paste, linking your Google Sheets directly into your document is the smartest way to work. You'll keep everything up to date while avoiding manual errors. Let's start with a table. Have your Google Sheet and your Google Doc open side by side. In Sheets, highlight the exact range you want to bring into the doc. Include headers if you need them, then copy it. Move to your Google Doc and paste. When the paste options appear, choose Link to Spreadsheet. That one click creates a live connection between your doc and the original sheet. From now on, the table in your doc reflects the source data. You can still adjust basic formatting in the doc, like column width or text styling, but remember that the content itself, what's written in each cell, comes from the sheet. If you ever paste without linking, it becomes a static snapshot, which won't update when your data changes. Now, let's bring in a chart. In your Google Doc, go to Insert, choose Chart, then select from Sheets. Pick the file that contains your chart, and then choose the specific chart you want to import. The chart will drop into your document as a linked object connected to the data in your sheet. This is perfect for dashboards or reports where you want the visual to evolve as the numbers do. If you need to change labels, ranges, or chart types, make those edits back in Sheets first. Then let the doc pull in the refreshed version. Here's how updates work. When you change numbers in Sheets, your Google Doc will show a small Update button near the linked table or chart the next time you open the document or click the object. Click Update, and your content will refresh instantly with the latest data. It's fast, reliable, and eliminates the risk of outdated figures. If you don't see the button right away, click the table or chart to select it. That usually makes the update option appear. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your ranges consistent in Sheets to avoid reshuffling your layout in the doc, and use clear headers so your pasted table reads well. When collaborating, anyone with edit access to the doc can update the linked content, as long as they also have access to the sheet. And that's it. Tables and charts, linked, and always current.